Hey everyone, is Framer not working? Whether Framer won't load, the editor isn't responding, your website won't publish, or certain features aren't working properly, there are several troubleshooting steps you can try. In this full guide, I'll show you how to fix Framer not working in 2026. So let's get started. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. Yeah, Framer is a cloud-based platform, so many features require an active internet connection. If your connection is unstable, reload the page after reconnecting. Next, refresh the page or completely close and reopen your browser. Temporary loading problems or browser glitches can often be resolved with a simple restart. If Framer still isn't working correctly, clear your browser's cache and cookies. Outdated cached files can sometimes prevent web applications from loading properly. Some browser extensions, especially ad blockers, privacy tools, or script blockers, can interfere with Framer. Temporarily disable your extensions or open Framer in an incognito or private window to test whether they're causing the problem. Make sure you're using the latest version of a supported browser such as Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Firefox, or Safari. If the issue continues, try opening Framer in another browser to see whether the problem is browser-specific. If everything looks correct on your device but Framer still isn't working, the service may be experiencing temporary issues. Check Framer's official status page or social media channels for announcements about outages or maintenance. If the problem still isn't resolved, contact Framer support. Include screenshots, error messages, your browser version, and the steps you've already tried to help the support team diagnose the issue more quickly. And that's how to fix Framer not working in 2026. In most cases, checking your internet connection, clearing your browser cache, disabling conflicting extensions, updating your browser, or verifying Framer's service status will solve the problem. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.